the Shaggy Needo. So let's go and see what we got over here. And I'm super excited. It's the Shaggy Needo, the Groovy Vlog. And super satisfying. And we have a lot of Needo at home, but we're going to go and check this one out. Look how shaggy it looks. It's mine, but I'm going to share it with Caroline. So let's go in and open it up.
My lips are broken.
It's fine. Is it like...
Why does it look like I'm wearing lipstick?
Let's take this scissor. Okay, let's go in there. Ooh, okay. Got it open. Open. Ooh, look at this cute little Needo. Try it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, right? It's like...
Wait, I don't want to squeeze it. I want to touch the spikies.
Okay, touch the spikies. Like,
Don't squeeze it, just touch it.
It's like so cute.
Some of the spikies fell off.
But it's so cute, guys. It's like so shaggy. And it's so satisfying. Such a pretty Needo. It's amazing. Like, it sounds like Needo-ish. And yeah, guys. Bye.